In order to gain access to CU Guest Access, your student will have to give you access through Buff Portal. We recommend opening a new browser for completing these steps. When you receive the access email, click on the CU Guest Access authentication link in Step 1. You'll need to select a source for authentication, either LinkedIn, Facebook, or Gmail, and sign in using the email associated with CU Guest Access. If your email address isn't associated with any of these social accounts, your student will need to delete your current access and create new access using another email account of yours associated with one of these accounts. If you don't have any of the previous listed accounts, we recommend setting up a Gmail account for this purpose. Once you've authenticated and signed in through the third-party source, create your CU Guest Access account by entering your CU Guest Access email, your first name, and your last name. Continue with the steps in your activation instructions email. Once authentication and account creation are successful, go back to the authentication link you received in your initial access email. Select your source for authentication, which should be the same as before, and sign in. Read through the terms and conditions. Select the Accept checkbox if you agree to the terms and conditions. Enter your security key. You can find the security key in the activation instructions email. Enter in the same email address that is associated with CU Guest Access and click Submit. Now you will be able to enter CU Guest Access. On the left-hand side navigation, you can click on anything your student gave you access to view. In the future, to access CU Guest Access, you can start with the authentication page and sign in to your social account. Once you're signed in, it will bring you directly into CU Guest Access. If you encounter errors at any point during sign-up or authentication, we recommend stopping and opening a private Firefox browser or an incognito Chrome browser to ensure your cache is clear.